This is a Chevrolet square body. And this is 9 innocent people. Hello, and welcome to the channel. It's been a while since I made a video, but we're back with a Chevrolet square body tutorial. So let's get right into it. First, we need this black piece meant for wheels. Don't know what it's called. Just connect 2 wheels to each side, like this. Need 2 of those. Next, we need a 2x16 plate. Put the first set of wheels one below the top, and the other one 2 below the top, like that. Then we need a 2x6 plate and a 2x8 plate. We'll put the 2x6 first and then the 2x8. We need 2 modified 1x1 Lego bricks. It's like this. Put those on the front. Then we need a 1x2 plate and a 1x2 tile. Put them together and put them on top here. Next, we need a 2x6 plate, and then 3 modified 1x2 tiles placed on like that. Then we need to put the 2x8 on the back. Grab 3 modified 1x2 tiles. Put the first one here, second one back there, and the third one here. And now we have finished the chassis. Next, we'll make the grill, so just set the chassis aside. We'll need a 1x6 tile plate and 2 1x1 plates. Put the 1x6 tile on top of the plate, and put the 2 1x1s on the bottom on each side. Next, grab a 2x6, 4 grill pieces, and 2 transparent yellow pieces. Put the transparent yellow pieces on both sides, and put the grills on horizontally, like this. Now, we'll grab a 1x6 plate, 2 2x2 plates, and 2 1x1 plates. Put the 2x1 plates on each side, and the 1x1 plates also on the ends. Next, we need 2 2x1 plates, put them on top of the other 2x1 plate. Should look like this. And grab a 1x6. Now I need to put it all together, connecting these 2 pieces. Then connect the top one. And last but not least, put the 1x6 on top. Attach it into this crevice. Like so. Set this aside for now, and next we'll make the bed. We need a 1x8 tile, a 1x6 plate, a 1x6 brick, and a 1x2 tile, and a 1x2 brick. Put the 1x2 and 1x6 next to each other. Grab the 1x8 tile and put it on top. Then put the 1x6 and 1x2 plate on the bottom, like this. Make 2 of those, then grab a 4x8 gray plate. Grab a 2 2x3 bricks, 2 2x1 bricks, and 2 1x1 bricks, and place them on the bottom like so. Flip it around and place the 2 pieces we made earlier on top, like that. Should look like this on the bottom. Next, we need to make the tailgate. First, grab this modified 1x2 brick and attach 2 modified 1x1 plates on the bottom, the ones with the hook, and place them upside down. Place a 1x2 plate on both sides, one on the top and one on the bottom. Next, grab a 2x6 plate and put 2 1x2 plates on the bottom like this. Attach a 1x4 on the 1x2 plates like this. Grab a 1x6 gray plate and put on the bottom of the 2x6 plate. Grab 2 1x3 plates and put them on top like this. Next, we need 2 1x1 plates, which we could just put here. Next, flip this upside down. Now put 2 1x2 plates on like this, a 1x6, and 2 1x1s like this. Then attach this part on like that. Now attach the tailgate to the bed. Actually, on the bottom, these 1x1s are supposed to go over here. Sorry about that. And then put this here. Put 1x3 and 1x3 plate and tile together. Put it right here and put the same thing on the other side. Next, we need a 2x8 brick, a modified 1x4 tile and a normal 1x3 tile. Put the 1x3 here and the 1x4 here. Do the same thing but mirror it, and grab a 1x6 and put it right here. Then grab a 1x4 and a 1x2 brick, attach them like so, and place on the back. Grab a 1x4 tile and a 2x4 tile and put them on the front. Grab this glass component, it's 2x6, place it here. Grab two 1x6 bricks and put them together and put them on the back. Grab a 4x6 plate and put it on top. It should look like this. Flip it upside down, grab a 2x4, attach a steering wheel component on the front, like so. Then place it here. Grab 3 more 2x4s and put them along the bottom. 4 1x4 plates and put them on the sides. And last but not least, we need 2 1x6 bricks and put them on the back. Now grab everything and we'll put together. First box goes on the back. Actually, the tire component has to go one back like this. Then attach the box on the jumper plates. Then grab the front and do the same. And we have finished our Chevrolet square body.